Hello, everyone. How are you today? I'm so happy because I'm going on holiday. Can you guess where I'm flying this time? I'll tell you in a moment. Come with me. Let's go to the airport together. I need a taxi. My flight is in 3 hours, so I have plenty of time. Perfect. My taxi is here. Let's go.
Good morning, airport.
Yes, please.
Are you going on holiday?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to sunny Barcelona. I've always wanted to visit this beautiful city. I can't wait to see the beach, walk around the old streets, and try Spanish food.
That sounds amazing. I'm sure you'll have a wonderful holiday.
I hope so.
Here we are. Have a great trip.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. I'm finally at the airport. Everything is going perfectly. First, I'll check in. Then I'd like to grab a coffee. After that, I'll go through passport control. I think today is going to be a wonderful day.
Good morning. May I have your passport, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking any luggage today?
Yes, just this suitcase.
Perfect. Please put it on the scale.
No problem.
Everything looks good. Here's your boarding pass. Gate A12. Boarding starts at 10:20.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy Barcelona.
Everything is going perfectly. I still have some time before boarding. I think I'll grab a coffee.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a large latte, please?
Of course. Anything to eat?
Yes, please, one chocolate croissant.
Great choice. That'll be $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a minute.
This coffee is really good. I'm so excited. Barcelona, here I come. It's time. I'd better go to passport control now. I don't want to be late. The line isn't too long, that's good. Hopefully, it won't take long.
Good morning, passport, please.
Certainly, just a second. That's strange. One moment, please. It should be here. I'm sure I put it in my backpack. Just one more second.
Is everything all right?
I can't find my passport. I had it just a little while ago.
Please don't worry. Take your time and check your bag again.
I already did. It's gone. I don't understand.
I'm sorry, but I can't let you through without your passport.
I understand. What should I do?
Think about the last place where you used it. Maybe you left it somewhere.
I showed it at the check-in desk. Then I bought a coffee. That's all.
I recommend visiting the information desk. They can help you.
Thank you. I'll do that. Where is it, please? It has to be here somewhere.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I think I've lost my passport.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did you last have it?
About 20 minutes ago. I used it at the check-in counter. Then I went to a coffee shop. Now it's gone.
Don't worry, let's try to find it. Can I have your full name, please?
Anna Brown.
Thank you. Could you also describe your passport?
It's a dark blue passport. There aren't any stickers or covers on it.
Thank you. I'll check if anyone has handed it in. I'm afraid nobody has handed it in yet.
Oh no, what should I do now?
Let's visit the coffee shop first. Sometimes people leave important things on the table.
That's a good idea. Let's go.
Hello again. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I think I left my passport here. Have you seen it?
Let me check one moment. I'm sorry, it's not here.
Are you sure?
Yes, I also checked the table where you were sitting. There was only an empty coffee cup.
Oh, thank you anyway. I don't understand. I remember putting it in my backpack.
Don't lose hope, there are still a few places to check.
Do you think someone took it?
Most people are honest. If someone found it, they'll probably hand it in. Let's check lost and found.
Good morning. How can I help you?
This passenger has lost her passport. Has anyone brought one in?
Let me have a look. One moment, please. I'm sorry, we don't have your passport.
Oh no, what if I miss my flight?
Don't give up yet. Let's think carefully. Where did you use your passport last?
At the check-in counter. After that, I went to the coffee shop. Wait, I remember something. When I paid for my coffee, I took out my wallet and my passport at the same time. Maybe I forgot it at the checkout.
Let's go back and ask again.
Hello again. Did you find it?
Not yet. Can you please check behind the cash register? I think I may have left it there.
Of course. Give me 1 minute. Let's see. Not here. Not here. Wait. What's this? Is this your passport?
Yes, that's mine. Thank you so much. I can't believe it.
It must have slipped behind the card machine. Nobody could see it.
You saved my holiday. Thank you.
I'm glad we found it, but you should hurry. Boarding starts very soon.
You're right. I need to run. Thank you both for helping me.
Have a wonderful holiday.
Oh no, final boarding. I have to hurry.
Good morning. May I see your boarding pass and passport?
Of course, here they are. I'm sorry I'm late.
That's all right. You're just in time. Welcome aboard.
Thank you so much. I made it. What a stressful morning. But now, my holiday can finally begin. Today, I learned something important. Always check your passport before you leave. And don't panic. Sometimes there's a solution. Thank you for coming with me today. See you in the next adventure.